Another peaceful day in Korea. The tire forklift broke down again. This 06 tire excavator cylinder wasn't leaking oil anymore. It was basically spraying it everywhere. Boss slowly starts looking nervous. You can finish this today, right? Yeah, probably. Hammer comes out, air tools come out, oil starts flying everywhere. That stubborn pin finally gave up. Opened the cylinder and the seals were absolutely destroyed. Man, how was this thing even working? New seals going in right away. One in, another one in, installed one backwards, then did it again. Mechanics learn every day. Reassembled everything, and now the most stressful moment. Please, please. Oh, no leaks. Another job successfully saved. And all that's left now is oily work clothes and that thing.